printing much better, Neil. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. There's my new levelling feet, little aluminium levelling feet, and the stiffer springs, the yellow springs there, so that's really good. And yeah, move the limit switch up a little bit to accommodate for that. Well, I think we're back in business for the time being. Hopefully this new Bowden tube doesn't take too long to arrive. I put the little retaining clip on there too because the fucking Bowden tubes can pop out. I've got a clip for this side as well, but yeah, I've just got to find it and put it on. But yep, back in business.